In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background in CapCut on PC in a quick and easy way. This is a really useful skill if you want to make your videos look more polished, cover empty space, or place a video or image behind your main content. Whether you're editing a tutorial, a short, or any kind of social media video, adding a background can instantly make your project look cleaner and more professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project saved, go ahead and load it so you can work directly on your existing timeline. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and bring in the clips you want to edit. Once your project is open, you'll be working from the main editing interface, where all of your media, timeline, and preview tools are located. Next, click on Media in the top panel. This is where CapCut lets you import files from your computer. Now choose the image or video you want to use as your background. You can use a solid image, a scenic photo, a loop video, or even another clip depending on the style you want. After selecting your file, import it into CapCut so it appears in your media library. Once the background file is imported, drag it down to the main video track on the timeline. This is an important step because whatever is on the main track acts as the base layer of your project. If you want your background to sit behind everything else, it needs to be placed correctly in the timeline. After you drop it in, you can extend or trim it so it lasts as long as you need for your edit. If you already have a video that you want to place on top of that background, move it to an overlay track above. This way, your main video will appear in front, while the background stays behind it. CapCut uses layering to control what appears on top and what appears underneath, so the order of your tracks matters a lot. If your current video is in the wrong place, just drag it to the overlay layer above the background. Now take a look at the preview window. If needed, resize or adjust the background so it fills the frame properly. You can zoom in, reposition it, or make small adjustments until it looks the way you want. If you're using an image background, make sure it covers the full screen without awkward borders. If you're using a video background, check that it plays smoothly and matches the aspect ratio of your project. You can also fine-tune the look by moving your main clip or overlay if it doesn't align perfectly. A good background should support your video, not distract from it. So if the colors are too bright, the image is too busy, or the video is not fitting well, take a moment to adjust it until the composition looks balanced. And that's it. You now know how to add a background in CapCut PC using a few simple steps. Just open your project, import your background media, place it on the main track, move your video to an overlay if needed, and adjust everything in the preview window until it looks right. This is one of those edits that can instantly improve the overall look of your content. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.